Today we're going to be talking about halitosis, or bad breath. 1 in 4 people have bad breath. Some studies say that even 50% of the adult population has it. Well, in the US, that equals to about 80 million people who suffer from chronic bad breath. Well, essential oils may be helpful to help fight bad breath. Essential oils have had a long history of supporting natural oral health and really helping promote a clean mouth and freshening breath. If you are new to our channel, I'm so glad that you're here. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Well, 90% of bad breath comes from a dirty tongue. So what can we do to help in that area? Well, peppermint essential oil, or peppermint in the beadlet form from doTERRA, is amazing. You can gargle it or even put a drop on your hand and lick it. You can even pop a small peppermint beadlet in your mouth as needed for easy access on the go while you're traveling or at school, out and about. Well, it will help freshen your mouth and also get rid of bad breath. It has natural antiseptic properties that will help keep your mouth clean. Really easy to get. Peppermint, doTERRA's peppermint essential oil also has a supplement fact on it, so you know that it is safe for internal use. I do not trust any other company, only doTERRA essential oils for my family, so you're going to be sure about the potency and purity and quality of doTERRA essential oils. Okay, the next one that is amazing for oral health is tea tree. Tea tree is 1 drop in some water, gargle that. You can also put a drop on your toothbrush to help freshen breath and also help with any bacteria that might be going on in your oral health. If you're ready to join our oily family, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you get started with doTERRA essential oils and get these amazing products in your home right at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next combination is myrrh and clove. So myrrh and clove traditionally have been used in a lot of oral care products. It's mainly the main ingredient in dental products that you'll see clove. Just 1 drop on a toothbrush for your extra clean teeth and gums. It's going to help support in a natural way, not only with fresh breath, but healthier oral hygiene. You're going to love that. Just pennies per drop, easy to add to your routine. Just set them right by your toothbrush and toothpaste, and you're going to love adding just 1 drop of myrrh and 1 drop of clove to your oral hygiene routine. If you're ready to do that, go to roxysaran.com. I would be honored to help you get started with doTERRA essential oils right at roxysaran.com. You can join our oily family or just shop for myrrh or clove right at roxysaran.com. Well, the next staple that you would love to have in your home for oral health and fresh breath is the On Guard toothpaste. It is fluoride free. It is designed to help really clean and freshen your teeth, freshen your breath, helps remove plaque, which also helps with fresh breath. Also, gently polishing your teeth with the hydrated silica. It's going to help remove those stains and again, removing that plaque without any damage to your teeth enamel. Another staple is the On Guard mouthwash. This is excellent to gargle morning and night in your daily routine. Also, On Guard essential oil, you can add a drop to your toothbrush and gently brush your teeth with that in morning and night, and also brush your tongue. Remember, we talked about 90% of bacteria from the bad breath helps getting rid of that by brushing your tongue every day. Also, swishing with the mouthwash around your, swish that in your mouth twice a day, morning and night. You're going to love that. So we do have a tongue scraper that you can get with doTERRA. It is part of the Immunity Wellness Kit. It comes in month 2 with the tongue scraper. So that is an easy thing, again, that you can add to your oral hygiene routine is morning and evening to scrape your tongue. It's going to help so much with that occasional bad breath, and so you don't have to suffer any longer. You're going to love doTERRA essential oils. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to get started. I'd love to help you right there. In our next video, we'll be talking about poison ivy relief. Have a great day.